Welcome back to Fishing with Vance. Well, I'm back at the swamp. As you can see, we got swampy, high weed conditions. So I'm gonna try something here that I've never tried before. I'm gonna get out there and toss a frog and see what happens. Never caught a fish on a frog before, so obviously I've never tried this before. So let's see if I can't catch a fish on a frog here in the swamp. I think there's going to be a lot of rowing and very little Minn Kota motoring today. But it's a beautiful morning. Let's give it a shot. I have no idea if this will work or not. If it's ever going to work, this would be the place that's going to do it. But let's give it a shot and see if I can't catch a fish on a frog. Yeah, I see fish jumping over there. I'm going to try. Oh my gosh. He hit it, he was swimming with it. Let them have it. Let them run with it. Let's give it one more go right here. This is a good spot. And right in the muck and the mire here. Get it right in front of me. I don't think I'm gonna get him though. No, he's gone. All I got was the frog. That was cool, but I didn't get them. Edge. I think the play is to get on the edge and throw to that edge. Alright, I've missed 3. And I can tell you right now, if I miss one more fish, this thing is going to the bench. Shit. Well, I finally got on the board. I didn't have my net ready. I didn't have anything ready. But I finally got on the board. It was a good fish too. Real good fish. You just run all over the place with that. He's up there shallow up in there. Well guys, the frog experiment, I still have not caught a fish on a frog. I had 2 or 3 blow-ups at it, but no fish. Now I'm not exactly hammering them on throwing a big old worm down there either, but I did catch the one nice fish. But that's really my only legitimate bite of the day. So we shall see. I would have thought this would have been where they were. This is definitely the deepest part of this swamp. I would have thought they would have been in here. No, there's a fish. Oh, he's a little guy. He was chasing a purple worm as I was talking. Little dude. Went after my purple worm. He is a little guy for this place. I think I got another hit. Oh, I did. I did. This is a little better fish. It's not a horse, but it's a better fish. A little guy, but he just had a lot of weeds on him. But another little guy. It's okay. I appreciate it. Appreciate the action. Wow, that's a real little dude for this lake. See ya, partner. Better watch out in here. Papa Pump will take you down. Alright, that's 2 little dinkers and 1 real nice one, but like I said, I'll take the action. And that might have been what was hitting the frog, and that's why I couldn't get him. Because every time I'd go to, he'd run with it, but every time I'd go to set the hook, there'd be nothing there. I actually never got a chance to really fight a fish on the frog. Oh, there's a fish. Can't tell if he's a big boy or just a lot of weeds. I think he's just a lot of weeds. Yeah, decent bass. Decent one. Get in here, buddy. I'll take you. Oh, thank you. There we go. Little chubby guy, quality fish. He's maybe 3/4 of a pound. Good solid bass. Nice one. Thank you, buddy. Where's that hit? Oh, got him too. This might be a quality fish. Oh, he's pulling like he's one. Else he's a lot of weeds. He's pulling like he's a good dude here. Oh, he's not that big. I got him sort of foul hooked. Get in there, buddy. There we go. This is a pretty good fish. He's not the monster he was fighting to be, but he's a good one. All right, partner. Oh, nice chubby guy. Nice chubby guy. Oh, look at that shoulder on him. Oh, this is tight. Easy, partner. He's a feisty guy. The shoulders on him. This is how you draw it up. With the hook in the side of his mouth there. I like those kind. I like that kind of party. There you go. That's a good one. He's probably a pound and a half. He's fun. We fought like he was a monster. There we go, buddy. Okay. Let's get the release. See you, baby. Thanks for coming along. Love it. All right. Turned into a better trip. I thought I was going to wear the collar there for a while. Probably because I wasted time throwing that stupid frog. Oh my gosh. My old partner was here. He'd be like, yeah, no kidding. No kidding. I think I need a new worm. The KVD purple. Saving me. Of course it is. This water's stained. That's why I'm picking the purple worm or black. This water's real stained at this side of the lake. This is what I caught the last. Everything but that first one was on magic, but this is just good old fashioned blue flag, baby. 6.5. versus that idiotic frog. Nah, I'm kidding. But I like catching fish more than not, just like everybody else. Alright, simple Mojo rig here. I probably should inspect my line. I just caught a couple fish there. You always want to inspect it, make sure there's no nicks. It's my usual Mojo setup. And there you go. We're just going to skin this because there's obviously a lot of weeds in here. That helps it. Alright, I got 2 splitties. Let that thing sink down. And there we go. That's two in a row there. I will take it. Fun. Oh, yep, right across the middle. And he got it right there in the middle. Chasing my worm in the middle. That is cool. I always love when they do that. He got it too. It's a good fish. Nice fish. I was just reeling it back, and there he was, another chubby guy here. You guys are turning on as the sun comes up. They're a nice fish. Hit that right there. I was just cranking that right through the middle, and he smoked it. Nice chubby guy. Alright. Alright, buddy. Now it's bass number 6. All of a sudden, this is a good trip. And again, frog 0, worm, that's number 6. See you, pal. There's another hit, another fish. And I think as the sun has come up, he popped off right there. I think as the sun has come up, they've come into this area. Seems. Well, guys, the fish has slowed way down. That sun got up nice and high. I've just been kind of floating around, seeing if I can't hook one last fish, but I'm probably gonna call it here. Gotta navigate across the swamp, get back to the Tacoma, and call it a day. But thanks for coming along. Please comment, please hit like. It motivates me to keep on doing this if I see that we're getting enough views to make it worth the time. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Check out fishingwithvance.com every once in a while. You can find all kind of things out there. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, all those things. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on the water. Tomorrow is July 21st, so that means it's tube day. I'll be back at Bragg tomorrow throwing all kind of tubes. I've had tons of success over the years fishing on July 21st. I remember that day because it's my dad's birthday, and also that my partner and I used to have all kind of fun days fishing tubes at Bragg. So I'll be back at Bragg tomorrow fishing the tubes on July 21st, also known as Tube Day. Thanks for watching. See you next time on fishingwithvance.com.